In this construction, we are going to do a equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle. The tools we need to use are a pair of compasses and a straight edge. Any straight edge will do. We do not need the graduations along here for a construction. The first thing that we need to do is use our pair of compasses to create a circle. The parts that you hold on to are the legs or this top piece here. You want to plant the pointy end where you want the center of your circle. Make sure that the legs are set at the distance that you want for the radius of your circle. I can hold down here where the point is, and I can use this to turn my circle. I'm going to keep this measurement that is the radius of the circle where I just made the circle, because I need this measurement to make my equilateral triangle. Wherever I want the upper point of my triangle is where the pencil needs to go next. The pointy end needs to go on the circumference. So if I want my point of my triangle to be near the top, I need the scribe end to be on the circumference here where I want the point of my triangle, and the pointed end of my compass here, the pivot point, needs to be on the circumference also. I'm going to make a little arc here, and then I'm going to move my point of my compass there and create another arc on either side of that one. Now I'm going to move the point N down to this next arc, and I'm going to create another arc through the circumference and move over to the other side, put the point again on that arc and create an arc. So at this point I have 5 different arcs through my circumference. The top one where I want the top of my triangle, and 2 successive ones on either side. Now, this first point where I want my point and the last 2 points need to be connected together. These are the sides of my equilateral triangle. So I'm going to line up the point that I wanted with the second point on the left-hand side. And using my straight edge, I'm connecting those. I'm going to do the same on this side also. I'm lining my straight edge up with that upper point and the last mark that I made. And I'm connecting those. And then lastly, I'm connecting these across here. And we should have an equilateral triangle. This side, and this side should all be congruent. Cheerful Calculations.